Sub now because why not? Literally every if I was kidnapped by OCAT be like. Hey what's up, it's me editing. Before I start, I noticed that it wasn't really like the ones that people post, but every OCAT one has someone being kidnapped, and they break free with their magical powers. Oh no, so scary. OCAT turns depressed, and the creator just yeets them out of existence with their magical powers again. Lol, bye. You're my friend now, we're having soft tacos later, consider subscribing though I love you, but not as a crush, I'm taken. Lol, bye.